Good morning, we're back here at the storage. I'm with my mom now, Marisol. We're gonna get these machines started, warmed up, and we're gonna head over to the front of the storage to get this job started. Oh, that's not, I didn't unlock the machine, give me a second. Okay, it should work now. Yeah. Teaching her how to operate slowly. Let's see if she got it this time. There we go. That's good. Okay. Oh shit, we don't even have anything to connect this to. The jackhammer.
Acá. Traigo la extensión.
I might have to while I cut this concrete. Okay, since we don't have any forks available, I'm gonna bring the excavator, park it on the side, lift up one corner, tie a strap around it to the bucket, and then same on this side. Okay, first load of asphalt is ready. This is what it's looking like so far. A bit more of asphalt left to take out. And then we dig about another 3 inches maybe. Okay, so we're done removing all the asphalt. There's some little chunks left, but we're done with the concrete too, as you can see. Cut this concrete with the concrete saw. This was asphalt, so it was a little tough. Like this piece right here broke, but I mean, the rest of it was decent, I guess. So right now we gotta pull out this pin because it's squeaking a little too much. The grease isn't getting through to this area because it's a bit dirty, so we gotta pull it out, clean that, and then pop it back in before we continue. But we're almost done. We gotta remove the little lip over there and then remove these boulders and set them up. Lifting it up. Okay, we're gonna grab this last one, and we're gonna move it to the other side. Oh. Oh. Really? Okay, so a little update on this project. He wanted me to take out this entire lip right here. So I removed that already. And this boulder over here, he didn't want. But this one, he wanted to cut in half. And this part angled on a 45. So just finished that. Now I gotta pin these in and we're good to go. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.